Hello everyone. In my previous session, I dealt with some of the important books and authors, and now today also in this session also I'll deal with some of the very important books and authors which will be helpful for you in your competitive exams. So let's start. Who authored Kamayani? So there are four options: Jaishankar Prasad, Sumitra Nandan Pal, Maithili Sharan Gupta, Premchand. As you know, these names are related to Hindi literature. So the correct option is Jaishankar Prasad. Jaishankar Prasad was a neo-romantic poet. Neo-romantic poet and author. We also call it as Chayavad, Chayavadi Kavi. Chayavadi Kavi. So generally these type of poets, they generally deal with the human feelings, emotions, their struggles in life. So these type of like Jaishankar Prasad, Premchand, they all deal with the complexities of human life and how they struggle in their day-to-day life. Next, who wrote Two Leaves and a Bud? The options are Mulk Raj Anand, Premchand, Bhisham Sahni, Khushwant Singh. So the correct answer is Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand, like in his previous novels, he deals with the British time during the independence. So in Two Leaves and a Bud, it is a story of a oppressed person. Generally he deals with an oppressed person who is dominated by the British people. So in this story also, he tries to protect his daughter from a British soldier. And it is set in the tea plantation of Assam. Next, who authored Godan? The options are Premchand, Mulk Raj Anand, Yashpal, Phanishwar Nath Renu. So the correct answer is Premchand. And what is the full name of Premchand? Munshi Premchand. So Godan. This story is about an old poor farmer, and he is very old and he is stuck in a debt trap. So he wants to buy a cow, but he doesn't have enough money to buy that cow. So this story deals with these all emotions of that farmer. Next, Seva Sadan. It is also related to human emotions and particularly the emotions of a woman. And who are the authors? What are the options? Premchand, Mulk Raj Anand, Yashpal, Jaishankar Prasad. So Seva Sadan was also written by Premchand, Munshi Premchand. And as I told you before, it deals with the emotions of a woman. Next, who wrote Nirmala? It is also related to Premchand. So the options are Premchand, Mulk Raj Anand, Yashpal, Jaishankar. So it was also written by Munshi Premchand. And it also deals with the feelings and emotions of a woman. How a woman feels. What are her emotions? Next, who authored Gaban? Premchand, Mulk Raj Anand, Yashpal, Jaishankar Prasad. So the answer is Munshi Premchand. Gaban, actually this story deals with the fallen moral value of a lower middle class youth during the British rule. Next, who wrote Ulysses? So the options are James Joyce, Virginia Woolf, D.H. Lawrence, A.M. Foster. So the correct answer is James Joyce. Ulysses has little correspondence with William Shakespeare's Hamlet. William Shakespeare was a 16th century author, playwright, and poet, and this story is also has some correspondence with that Hamlet, his very famous drama Hamlet, and it was published in 1922. Next, who authored Mrs. Dalloway? The options are Virginia Woolf, Jane Austen, Emily Bront, George Eliot. So the correct answer is Virginia Woolf. In this Mrs. Dalloway, she wrote about in this novel she mentioned about a woman, fictional woman, who upper class woman, and she was at that time where post First World War England. The setting is about post First World War of England. Who wrote To the Lighthouse? Virginia Woolf, Jane Austen, George Eliot, Emily Bront. So the correct answer is Virginia Woolf. And she generally wrote about upper class women in her novels. Next, who authored A Passage to India? The options are E.M. Forster, George Orwell, Joseph Conrad, William Golding. So the correct answer is E.M. Forster. And the Passage to India is related to that time during the British rule and the Indian freedom movement of 1920s, and this was published in 1924. Next, who wrote Sons and Lovers? The options are D.H. Lawrence, James Joyce, E.M. Forster, Thomas Hardy. So the correct answer is D.H. Lawrence, and this is a 1913 novel of D.H. Lawrence. He was an American author and it was published in 1913, and this book deals with the complexities of human relationship. Next, who authored Lady Chartley's Lover? The options are D.H. Lawrence, James Joyce, E.M. Forster, Virginia Woolf. So what do you think? What is the answer? The answer is D.H. Lawrence. And generally, as I told you before, this author also deals with the human complexities and emotions. And he also deals with the rich aristocratic family. Next, who wrote Heart of Darkness? The options are Joseph Conrad, E.M. Forster, George Orwell, William Golding. So the correct answer is Joseph Conrad. And the Heart of Darkness, there's a protagonist by the names of Charles Marlowe, and in this story he tells about his assignment as a steamer captain. Next, who authored Animal Farm? George Orwell. And George Orwell was an American author, and in his books generally he dealt with animals. Next, who wrote The Road to Vampire? And the options are George Orwell, Aldous Huxley, H.G. Wells, John Steinbeck. So the correct answer, what do you think the correct answer is? George Orwell, H.G. Wells? I think so, it is H.G. Wells. What do you think? Do you think George Orwell? Yes, you are correct. It is George Orwell. Next, who authored Homage to Catalonia? So there are four options: George Orwell, Ernest Hemingway, John Steinbeck, William Faulkner. So who do you think? Who is the author? William Faulkner, John Steinbeck, Ernest Hemingway? I think so, it is John Steinbeck. What do you think? Do you think William Faulkner? Or do you think Ernest Hemingway? And who is thinking George Orwell? So who is thinking George Orwell? They are correct. It is George Orwell. Next, who wrote For Whom the Bell Tolls? The options are Ernest Hemingway, John Steinbeck, William Faulkner, F. Scott Fitzgerald. So who do you think, what is the answer to this? Yes, if you are thinking Ernest Hemingway, I think so it is wrong. No, it is correct. So the answer is Ernest Hemingway. And he was an American author who wrote during 20th century. He was an American short story writer and a novelist. Next, who authored A Farewell to Arms? So there are again 4 options. Ernest Hemingway, John Steinbeck, William Faulkner, F. Scott Fitzgerald. So what do you think? What is the answer? I think so it is William Faulkner. But do you think that it is Ernest Hemingway? Yes, I think so you are correct. It is Ernest Hemingway only. Ernest Hemingway. Next, who wrote The Sun Also Rises? Ernest Hemingway, F. Scott Fitzgerald, William Faulkner, John Dos Passos. So I think it is William Faulkner. But do you think it is Ernest Hemingway? Yes. If you are thinking it is Ernest Hemingway, you are correct. It is Ernest Hemingway. Next, who authored East of Eden? John Steinbeck, Ernest Hemingway, William Faulkner, F. Scott Fitzgerald. So if you are thinking Ernest Hemingway, maybe you are correct, or maybe so. What we should do? We should choose which one? First one, second one, third one, or fourth one? I think so. If you have already chosen this first one, I think you are totally correct. So this is the answer. John Steinbeck. Who wrote Of Mice and Men? John Steinbeck, Ernest Hemingway, William Faulkner, Mark Twain. So the correct answer is John Steinbeck. Next, who authored The Sound and the Fury? So there are 4 options: William Faulkner, Ernest Hemingway, John Steinbeck, F. Scott Fitzgerald. So if you are thinking Ernest Hemingway, so you are wrong. So who is the author of Sound and the Fury? William Faulkner. And he was an American novelist and short story writer, and he got Nobel Prize in 1947 for his work in literature. So he got Nobel Prize in 1947. Next, who wrote As I Lay Dying? William Faulkner, Ernest Hemingway, John Steinbeck, F. Scott Fitzgerald. So are you thinking this third one, or are you thinking the fourth one? But I am thinking that first one is the correct. So let's see who is correct. So the correct answer is William Faulkner. Okay. Next, who authored Catch-22? Joseph Heller, Kurt Vonnegut, George Orwell, William Golding. So I think so it is Joseph Heller. Next, who wrote Slaughterhouse-Five? Kurt Vonnegut, Joseph Heller, George Orwell, Ray Bradbury. I think so it is Ray Bradbury. Do you think it is Ray Bradbury, or do you think it is Kurt Vonnegut? So what do you think? I think it is the first one. Yes, if you are thinking the first one, you are correct. Next, who authored Beloved? Toni Morrison, Alice Walker, Maya Angelou, Virginia Woolf. So the correct answer is second one. No, the first one. Yes, the first one, Toni Morrison. He was also an American novelist and short story writer, and she got Nobel Prize in 1995 for her contribution in English literature. Okay, Toni Morrison got Nobel Prize in 1993. Next, who wrote The Color Purple? Alice Walker, Toni Morrison, Maya Angelou, Virginia Woolf. Virginia Woolf? No. Toni Morrison? No. I think so. This first one, Alice Walker. Yes. So it is Alice Walker. Next, who authored Things Fall Apart? Chinua Achebe, Ngugi wa Thiong'o, Wole Soyinka, Ben Okri. So, what is the correct answer? Just you think? I think so. This is the correct answer. What do you think, students? Or you think this is the correct answer? I think so. Let me go with you only. This is the correct answer. Okay. Then I'm also correct. You all are also correct. This is the correct answer. So Chinua Achebe, generally he wrote about tribal people. Most of the story deals with the way of living of tribal people. So let's check. So we have finished this quiz. Let's check. Sorry, the second and fifth I didn't tell you. So just go to the second. Madhushala. Who wrote Madhushala? Harivansh Rai Bachchan, Sumitra Nandan Pant, Jai Shankar Prasad, Premchand. So Madhushala is written by Harivansh Rai Bachchan. And Harivansh Rai Bachchan, he was a great poet and author and a renowned poet and author of Hindi literature. And his Madhushala was very famous poem. And it was published in 1935. Two Leaves Under Mulk Rajanand, already I told. Godan Premchand, Karm Bhumi. And Karm Bhumi, who wrote Karm Bhumi? Premchand, Yashpal, Mulkraj Anand, Jai Shankar Prasad. So it was written by Munshi Premchand. And Karm Bhumi, it was written in the backdrop, it was set in the backdrop of 1930s Uttar Pradesh, where two communities stayed together, Muslims and Hindus, and they lived peacefully. Next, Seva Sadan Premchand, Nirmala Premchand, Gaban Premchand, Ulysses James Joyce, Mrs. Dalloway Virginia Woolf, To the Lighthouse Virginia Woolf, A Passage to India E.M. Foster, Sons and Lovers D.H. Lawrence, Lady Chartley's Lover D.H. Lawrence, Heart of Darkness Joseph Conrad, Animal Farm George Orwell, The Road to Wigan Pier George Orwell, Homage to Catalonia George Orwell, For Whom the Bell Tolls Ernest Hemingway, A Farewell to Alps Ernest Hemingway, The Sun Also Rises Ernest Hemingway, East of Eden John Steinbeck, Of Mice and Men John Steinbeck, The Sound and the Fury William Faulkner, As I Lay Dying William Faulkner. And as you know, I have already told you, in 1947 he got Nobel Prize for Literature. Joseph Heller, Slaughterhouse-Five Kurt Vonnegut, beloved Toni Morrison, she also got Nobel Prize for Literature in 1993. The Color Purple, Alice Walker, Things Fall About, Chinua Achebe, and he wrote about the life of tribal people. So we have completed everything. So these are the answers. So once you go through it, you can take screenshot also. So these will be helpful to you in your competitive exam. So I hope you like this session. So in my next session, I'll come up with some different topic. Okay, bye.